Okay, ma. Physical stock voucher. So next to our topic is physical stock voucher. What is physical stock voucher? Why we are using this one? So this physical stock voucher we are called the inventory voucher also. When we are preparing this one means physical stock voucher is used for recording the actual stock which is verified or counted. It could happen that the book stocks and the physical stock do not match. It is not unusual that the company finds a discrepancy between actual stock and computer stock figure. Physical vouchers will be useful for recording purpose only if you have configured inventory vouchers to ignore physical stock difference. If you have configured the voucher so that physical stock difference is not ignored, then all transactions subsequent to the physical stock voucher will use the balances as mentioned that voucher. Actually, why we are using this physical stock voucher means daily we are preparing, like we are updating all purchase and sales invoices in our tally. So many stock items also we are creating. So when we are verifying a stock. Actually, monthly ones or quarterly ones, yearly ones, we are checking the stock. We are verifying the stock accounts. How much physical stock we have in our organization. Same stock we want to follow in our book of accounts also. Suppose any difference it is showing. Physically we have a stock high, but in our book of accounts it is showing very negative stock it is showing. And that time we want to rectify, we want to correct that mistake means we are preparing physical stock voucher. How to do now we will check. So any mismatch it is showing physical stock to our book of accounts, any mismatch it is showing, on that time we want to cover that mismatch means we are preparing physical stock voucher. Now we will go through the tally. Already we are prepared some stock items. I am going to stock summary. See here, under stock summary, under cloths, we have negative balances. Like chudidar 300 negative balance we have. Cotton sarees, frocks, jeans, sarees and all negative balance it is showing. But in physically we have a stock. On the time of voucher creation, on the time of when we are entering vouchers, we done some mistakes. Manually we done some mistakes, so that's why our stock it is not tallying. Now we want to tally the stock means physical stock vouchers we want to prepare. So how to prepare? You can check once this and all. So how much we have chudidar, so this and all we have a stock physically, but here negative balance it is showing. We done some mistakes, we want to rectify that one, so we are preparing physical stock voucher. So now we will see. Go back here, main gateway of tally vouchers. Under vouchers, other vouchers, you can check here physical stock voucher we have. Enter now physical stock voucher, like this it is showing. Date you want to update, which date your physical stock voucher you are preparing, date you want to change it. Okay, first to chudidar. So like chudidar, so physical stock we want to go now. So where it is available, vouchers, physical stock, other vouchers, physical stock voucher. Name of item chudidar already we are created. How much in a main location? Go down also we want to select it. In main location go down. How much it is showing? 300 numbers it is showing. So 300 numbers negatively it is showing, but physically we have a stock. So next to, okay, one by one we want to enter. So end of list. Enter, you can save it. Next item, so like cotton sarees also it is showing 400 numbers minus. Go down main location. How much that difference it is showing? 400 numbers. Go down any other go down it is showing negatively. It is possible to select it, but we have a stock in only one go down. You can save it. Two vouchers we are prepared now. Next one, frocks also. So how many items it is showing negatively? One by one we are doing like this. Frocks, so main location, how much it is showing negative? 10 numbers. Enter, you can save it. Next item we want to select it jeans also. See how many mistakes we done. That negative stock I am correcting 700 numbers now. Go down, you can select it main location 700 numbers. Enter. So next how much we have? Sarees we have only sarees. How many numbers? Main location 550. Okay, now I corrected all those things. Okay, I am updated all physical stock voucher. Now we can go back, go to stock summary. So under clothes, you can select it. See, it is corrected now, ma. All those things it is corrected now. We don't have any negative balance now, no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is physical voucher? So when we are preparing, actually when we are checking stock, year ending or month ending, we are checking stock, no? And that time any difference it is showing. So, but on that time only we are updating physical stock voucher. Otherwise not required.